dignity. Let no man stop you know, from execute righteousness upon earth. Who know the law? No other law, no let you go to no. And then you back down. Thief and murderer are going to become the law. And you no come back down. Regardless of talk around the year. Stand up for the country and move the hands of wicked from around us. We don't care who them is. No one is above the law. No one is above the law, God. We shape the heaven, your mind, the earth, the new heaven and the new earth, where we are going to repair and rectify. May I shake the kingdom of the wicked and put the grace of God upon the throne. Jamaica need to repair the damage.